What's up, beautiful people? Today here with another episode of Side Hustle Sunday. Hope you guys are doing well. I am in Las Vegas this week, so I'm trying to make some content while I'm on the road. It's a little bit harder than normal to make videos, but I want to try to put some stuff out. So I actually filmed this video prior to me leaving, me and my sister. We're introducing a new channel. It's Pallet Jackin. Yes, Pallet Jackin. Me and my sister came up with that name because we are purchasing Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart, Target return pallets, and we are flipping them. We're going to sell them on, eBay, Amazon. We actually made quite a bit of money doing that. However, we want to really push making those types of videos. We're going to try to do like at least a couple of videos a week or maybe even daily videos. So I'm not going to do this on this channel. I'm actually going to do that on another channel. So I'm going to leave a card to it somewhere. I don't know where it's going to be. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. I also put it in the description and in the first comment pin, so you all can follow that channel if you want to see those videos. I'm not saying I'm not going to put any on this channel anymore. However, I'll probably be doing my normal releases of those types of videos on that channel. So if you like that, check that out. Refer to your friends, and let's get to the unboxing. What's up, guys? Tika here with another video with April.
Hey, what's going on?
I was trying to introduce her name, but I forgot it already.
Oh my God.
So I think we're going to rename our channel name when we go to the new channel to, what did I say?
Pallet Jackin.
Pallet Jackin. Coming soon. When I say coming soon, it's going to be really, really soon. So we got another pallet today from Bulq.com. And April, how much we paid for it?
It was $1,083, $200 shipping, and it's allegedly has $5,535 worth of merchandise.
Okay, so
allegedly.
So what we're gonna do here, everything's supposed to be like new. Is it
like
brand new or like new? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to open it up and just kind of see what we got. Hopefully we got some good stuff. I don't have a knife because we having a struggle bus today. Alright, so we're just going to start with, I'm just going to pull some stuff out, and then April's going to look at, I guess
I can look at it, right, it's like teeny tiny.
Alright, so April, we have, this is a chic, super soft hooded wrap with zipper lining.
Is this the animal print? They got some animal print on them?
Yeah, it look like a cougar.
Alright. It says $130 retail price.
Okay, so the retail price is supposed to be $130, hopefully.
Allegedly.
A ultra soft bamboo, 100% bamboo, 300 thread count king. Ain't got no brand name. What's the brand name on this?
Bamboo sheet.
We'll come back to this one. I'm gonna put this over here for the come back to. Oh, that's loud. This is a foliage collection 6-piece reversible bed ensemble, queen size. We'll come back to it. It's going over there. Okay.
All right, next.
I want to get to the boxes, but we're gonna get through this stuff first.
That is.
This is a Tom Felicia by Felicia. It's a rug. It's like a rug.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. Okay, what was that? The foliage comforter over there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that was $199.
Okay, $199 for the foliage comforter.
And then this is right.
This is the Tom Folia home collection.
I promise you, we not struggling.
We'll come back. We're gonna move right along. I'm gonna put this back over here. And what we're gonna do on the next video is we'll just kind of pull everything out. We'll be at the storage building, and then we'll just kind of go through everything. We'll look and verify all the pricing and stuff like that. And we'll tell the real value of what stuff costs. All right.
That's what we do.
Okay, now we got. What is this, April?
I know, that's what we've been waiting on right there. So we got the Roomba.
This is the Roomba. What my number is? It's a vacuum cleaner.
It should be the 980.
Roomba 980.
Okay, and it's worth $6.99.
$6.99.
And guess what? We got 3 of them.
And we got 3 of them. That's right.
In this one little box.
Yeah. It was heavy. It ain't clear.
Thank you, that one.
2.
And then this last one. And
3.
they're all supposed to be like new.
Yeah, and they don't look like they've been opened. From what I'm looking at, it's sealed. All right, this is one we said we didn't know about. This pile.
Yes, that drum machine.
All right, this is a pile tabletop drum machine. And on the manifest, it shows it like $500. It ain't $500.
It's like $150.
$150. So that's still good though.
Yeah.
I don't even know what the rest of the junk is. It's a toy. I don't even know what that monster truck.
Yep.
Dallas Cowboys monster truck.
Just
It's
extra.
Yeah, general merchandise. So we're gonna put this over here, general merchandise. Oh, this is a Spark hanging chandelier, 23-inch copper. You can't see a picture of it, but that's what it says it is on here. You don't see it? Let me see.
Monster truck, what about this?
Oh,
The chandelier.
I had forgot already by the time I found it. I don't see the chandelier on here.
Okay.
All-purpose rolling storage bin. This is classic accessories.
Classic accessory season. I'm still gonna have to go to this one. But at least I know where it's at. $65.99.
All right, $65.99. Okay. Costway. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I don't know. It don't have nothing on there.
Tell you nothing.
It's one set. It's one set.
One set of what? All right, y'all, we're gonna pause for a second. We'll get a knife. All right, we're gonna open this up and see what it is. Shoot, why not? Said something, all right. Oh, some chairs. It's like a
Okay.
chair set, some kind of chair set. Oh, it's a table.
Okay.
It's a lounge chair.
A lounge chair.
It's a lounge chair. Now, I will say that this Bulq pallet is guaranteed, allegedly, with the 98% accurate. Is that right?
That's what it says.
Okay.
Allegedly.
98% accuracy on the pallet, right?
Yeah,
on the
stuff. Yeah, on the stuff that's in the pallet. $162.
All right, $162.99 supposedly, and we will check out the stuff on Amazon because I think it's got the numbers on it. Let's check them. All right, so oh god, this mic is entire bed.
Give me 2.
All right, we have a black brown box.
We have another box
So I'm gonna open the box up.
with nothing. We don't
There's
know.
no identification.
It's just a box.
This is just brand. Oh no, it's a cornhole board.
Okay. For look like the 49ers.
Yeah, San Francisco 49ers cornhole board.
It is $129.99.
$129.99. We got another.
All right.
We got another tailgate toss.
That's
upside down.
Yeah.
Is it?
No.
It is.
I don't know.
It is.
Tailgate toss.
Deluxe beanbag toss game, which was what people call cornhole. I don't know. We'll have to figure this one out.
Yeah, I don't know which team this one is because it don't have a team on it.
But it's cornhole.
But we allegedly got a Colts one too.
Yeah, that's another one.
I don't even think I never played it.
I played it one time, and we had my little new employee experience thing, and we played it.
Yeah, it's the Colts one.
All right. If y'all can see that, It's another cornhole board. How much that would say it is?
It's probably the same as the,
Like 129?
yeah, $149.99. Like me.
This.
Oh God, is a bed. Twin size, dark brown, leather.
Leather?
Look.
What? What's that
Leather look. Whatever that is.
So. Okay, how much is this?
That is, should be the only thing that's on here. Oh, here it is right here. It was the first thing I've been able to find. Just
Quick.
like, boom. $209.38.
$209.38. And see, last time I had the same problem. I was looking through the manifest. Like maybe a down comforter.
No brand on it.
No brand on it.
Is it the Naples 700 thread count alternative comforter?
Yes.
Full queen,
Yes.
maybe. It's $99 if that's it.
We're gonna take it $99. A zero twist, 4 extra large bath sheets. What the hell are bath sheets? What is a bath sheet?
A towel?
I don't know if we got 4 of them, whatever it is.
There. $79.99.
$79.99, cool. Alright.
Yep.
This is a New York, 4-piece king comforter set.
That is $174.99.
$174.99. This right here is velour.
Okay, that burgundy one, I just saw it.
China CHYNE, like black.
That
Looks
thing,
nice.
thing look hot.
They do look hot on it. I'll be throwing this off me quick.
$220.
$220. This sheep brand must be an expensive brand because all that stuff says sheep.
Okay,
Totally.
allegedly. We'll look it up.
All right.
Is that a
Hotel, all something microfiber down comforter all season.
That's a down comforter?
Yeah, it's a flat
Oh,
one.
okay.
Miss Jackie, she like flat ones like that. It's a full queen. What we gonna say is $99 either way.
Okay, there you go.
What is that? This is the prettiest glory home design quilt
pretty.
I've ever seen in my life.
It's pretty ridiculous.
It's terrible. Who'd ever, I mean, what is that?
3 pieces.
It's a queen.
The L is
Elsa.
Florence.
Elsa.
3 piece, yeah. It's only $13.
$13. This is another chic Brooklyn 3-piece duvet cover set. A queen. $99. I don't know. This is a premium Merit Linens premium sheet set 4-piece.
Is it? That's the gray one, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a Victoria Classic?
Well, it's a sheet set.
Yeah. Two more boxes.
2 more boxes. This is a bamboo memory foam pillow.
Oh, okay.
2 of them. 4 of them.
It is $31.97.
$31.97. So we got 2 of those.
Yep.
Or 4 of them.
Yep. That's the other last
That's
one
it.
in there. Yep.
That's all we got.
It's pretty
All
decent.
in all, it's more comforters than I would like.
Yeah.
But it's a home goods palette. So
Yeah.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and we'll look at everything. We'll look at the prices, everything, and then we'll on the next video we'll just show everything we got, the real value of everything, and then we'll list it. We'll get it listed.
Yep.
So I will see you guys on the next one.
Yep.
All right, that is going to be it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching and liking this channel. If you would like some more Side Hustle Sunday videos, or if you have a suggestion for what kind of business I can maybe start or I can try, leave it in the comment section below. I'm willing to try pretty much anything when it comes to business or when it comes to business. Just put it in the description or the comment section below, and I'll try to make that kind of video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Oh.